it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create this adorable little earring using a Polaraki dichroic glass component? On this video, I will be using beads from the Great Bead Extravaganza as well as the Badlands kit to make this adorable little earring. And it was so cool that Softlex included a variety of the Polaraki beads in their TGBE kit, so everybody got something a little different. So it was fun to see what everybody got. So we'll just be making this cute little earring, and then I'm adding in some 4mm smoky quartz from a bead shop, Artistic Beads and Studio in Placerville, California, some size 11 seed beads, and we are using copper wire. So I added on my little dichroic glass charm and then 4 seed beads on each side. I'm going to pick up a 2x2. And the onyx came in the kit for the Dia de los Muertos, but I just wanted to do more of an autumn vibe, so I'm using the copper. So we're going to slide our 2x2 on one side of our soft flex wire. On the other side, we're just going to pass back through the 2x2 and give it a pull. And this will give us a little crisscross. We're going to take the longer piece of the soft flex wire and pass back through that 2x2. And this is going to create like a little loop. Because of where the hole is on the dichroic glass, the jump ring won't fit. So that's why soft flex is the best for this. And then we just want to pass it back through till we have a little loop. And this is what's going to act as our jump ring. Just going to double check, make sure it's the same size. Then I'm just going to take my pliers and give it a squeeze. And this is going to flatten it. And then we're just going to trim the extra soft flex wire, making sure not to trim our little loop that we just made. For our little loop, we added on the 4 seed beads and did the little crisscross. Now we're going to use some more soft flex copper wire. I'm going to use about 5 inches. I really like this design because the soft flex wire shows in your design. So we're just going to slide that on like a little charm or a pendant. And then we're going to alternate between our 4mm smoky quartz and our little amber color gem caps. So we'll have 3 on each side or for smoky quartz, and then 2 on the gem caps. And you can make them bigger if you would like to. You can also add spacing with some seed beads or some little metal spacers, even some little rhinestone ABs, rondels. I think would really give it some spark. Or if you want to just let your soft flex wire show, you can do that as well. And you can always mix your soft flex wires. Like you could braid them and just add texture and make the little loop that way. So there's a lot of possibilities with this little technique. And then we're going to add on our last little smoky quartz. And this product does look edit. And this project does look kind of intricate. But you're just doing a couple basic techniques. So this is great for like a little craft fair. It's a very artisan design. We're going to bring in our 2x2 and just add it to one side of the wire. With the other side of the wire, we're just going to crisscross and give it a pull. With our longer side of the wire, we're just going to pass back there a 2x2. And we'll just make any adjustments as needed. We want to make sure that our loop is fairly the same size to our other earring. And then we're going to grab our pliers and just flatten our 2x2. Just give it a little squish. And normally with my 2x2, I will go back and round it, but just because of the placement of the beads, I'm just going to flatten it for this project. We're going to trim off our extra soft flex wire, making sure not to trim that little loop. And then any soft flex wire we have, make sure you save it for another project. Our beautiful earrings are almost completed. I just love the Polaraki beads. They're so sparkly. We have our beautiful little earrings with our Polaraki dichroic glass charms or pendants, some gemstones, and some check glass. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for all other tutorials using the Badlands kit and the TGBE Dia de los Muertos kits, as well as all earring inspiration. Have an awesome day.